starting our program in a few minutes, so stay tuned to know how you can win exciting prizes this afternoon. Only here at SM Puerto Princesa.
Thank you. So good afternoon to everyone. First of all, thank you to all of our media friends who are here right now, who are personally first time we are getting to meet right now, especially here in the local island of Puerto Princesa City. So later, I'll get to know more of you guys, and if you have any questions about Honor Philippines and its products, you can ask me in your questions later. Of course, today is also a momentous day for us because together with the management of SMCP Puerto Princesa, we would like to thank you guys in setting up this beautiful mall and also a location where we can really engage all together. Of course, lastly, our partner in this store, Delta Electronica with Sir Eli. Thank you very much in setting up this Honor experience. Honor Philippines is grateful and of course, honor.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now ready to cut the ribbon in 3, 2, 1.
Try natin kung talagang matibay siya. Okay siya, di ba? Ihagis ko.
Pagtapos habis bibigyan na sa akin.
Magkano ka din? Perfect magkano ko. Okay na. Hindi na po gusto mag-try.
So yun nga guys, dito tayo sa SM. So hawak ko ngayon is Honor. Dito natin talaga kung matibay talaga siya at hindi siya mababasag kahit anong gawin natin ha. So ilalagyan natin. Mataas. Ay, basag. Wala guys, matibay. Ala, nasira. Nasira. Ala, nasira.
Pinandakas nun. Pinandakas nun.
Gumanon lang ako.
Ay, tayo.
Nasira. Wala, matibay. First owner talaga siya. Ay, matibay. So, tingnan mo sila guys. Kinabahan. Kala nila nasira.